Welcome back to 9 News. We have an interesting guest here today. This Saturday, the YWCA is hosting a rally and signature gathering event in front of the Boulder County Courthouse. The event is being planned in partnerships with several groups. The event focuses on an effort to protect abortion access right here in Colorado. Here with us is Debbie Pope with the YWCA in Boulder. Thank you so much for being here with us. Talk about the event this Saturday. What's the effort behind this event on Saturday?
Well, this is part of a statewide campaign and initiative that we're looking at in terms of being able to make sure that the right for abortion and reproductive rights and access is in our Colorado Constitution. And so it's called Initiative 89. And this is really, we're gathering signatures right now. So this event is really about bringing people out, coming together to learn more about the initiative, but then also to make their mark and saying that, we want to make sure that there's not government interference in our reproductive and abortion rights.
Colorado has been a state where people have been coming to because other states have been restricting abortion access. Colorado has been more friendly for abortion access compared to other states in this day and age. Why is it necessary to get that enshrined into the Constitution?
All right, and so we have been fortunate that we've been able to get legislation passed the past 2 years to be able to put a placeholder, is what I call it, really, a placeholder on these rights. When we change it in the Constitution, that actually solidifies it. It makes it a lot harder to be able to overturn that. Hence us trying to change the Constitution, getting 125,000 signatures just to get that on the ballot. So this is really important. The other part that's important is it also recognizes abortion and reproductive care to be able to get health insurance, especially for state, local government employees, or anybody who's using state health insurance. So it's also expanding access or providing access to care too.
So I'm assuming you'll need to get a number of signatures to get this onto the ballot for later.
That's correct. Almost 125,000 signatures from across all of Colorado. So actually 2% of those that are registered voters will need to sign this petition.
And when do you hope to get all of those signatures and get it on the ballot?
We need all of the signatures by April 25th. So that's the deadline. And then once those signatures are verified, then it would be on the November ballot.
And how many signatures do you have right now?
We are still in counting, but what I will say is we have more than 300, 400 volunteers trained to actually be able to collect signatures right now, and we're making really good progress. And Saturday is about people having a place to come out and actually sign, but also to find out how they can get more involved by being trained to actually be able to collect signatures as well.
And let's talk about the logistics of the event. It starts at 11 o'clock. Right? And
correct.
It goes till 1 o'clock. And you're going to have several speakers there. Who are the speakers that are going to be talking?
Yeah, so we have at 11:30 to 12, we're doing a rally to bring people together. We have an array of speakers ranging from high school activists, college activists who are on the front lines of this, to some of our partners who are actually providing the day-to-day services for this, as well as some of our other organizing organizations.
And there's also another event happening in Longmont too, right?
There is. So there's a sister event taking place in Longmont from 11 to 1 on 6th Avenue in Maine. So there's 2 locations, and really, across the state, there will be opportunities to be able to be engaged in this initiative.
Okay. And where can people register?
So right now you can go to YWCABoulder.org. You can register. If you don't need to register, though, you can just show up as well. So it helps us to prepare to know how many volunteers and petitions we need if people register. So it's helpful, but otherwise we're just expecting people to come.
Great, cool. Thank you, Debbie.
Thanks
for being here. I appreciate your time.